Understanding Arithmetic Operations, a Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very important concept in both math and everyday life: arithmetic operations. Understanding these operations is crucial not just for solving math problems, but also for managing daily tasks such as shopping, cooking, and budgeting. Let's dive into the world of numbers and discover how these operations form the building blocks of mathematics. At its core, arithmetic operations refer to the basic mathematical operations that include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These operations are the foundation of all mathematical calculations. They help us quantify things in our world, solve problems, and make decisions based on numerical data. Addition is the process of combining two or more numbers to get a total sum. Subtraction involves removing one number from another to find the difference. Multiplication is about finding the total when one number is taken multiple times. Division divides a number into equal parts, helping us understand how many times one number is contained within another. To truly understand the importance of arithmetic operations, let's see how they apply to our daily lives. Addition helps us when we're adding up expenses, calculating total hours worked, or even counting calories. Subtraction is used when budgeting, figuring out how much time we have left for an activity, or determining distances traveled. Multiplication comes in handy when calculating the area of a room for renovation or determining the amount of ingredients needed for a recipe based on the number of servings. Division is crucial when sharing equally among people, distributing tasks, or calculating rates, such as miles per gallon of fuel. Mastering arithmetic operations requires practice. Start with simple numbers and gradually increase the complexity as you become more comfortable. Use real-life situations to apply these operations, such as budgeting your expenses, planning travel distances, or cooking. The more you practice, the better you'll understand and the more efficiently you'll be able to use these operations in everyday life. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to understanding arithmetic operations. Remember, these basic operations are not just numbers on a page. They're tools that can help us navigate and make sense of the world around us. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more confident in your ability to tackle arithmetic operations. Keep practicing, stay curious, and as always, thank you for watching.